Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IDXG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a little bit easier to see. But mainly it makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that from where it was a couple of days ago to where it is right now, this has been a good solid move. There's no doubt about that. But the question becomes, but is there any sort of true power behind it? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? So that's definitely the big question here. Is this the start of something bigger or just a little temporary bump up in price? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point. That's why I love charts, makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at $2.30. Why is $2.30 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price with true strength is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.30. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it's been for a very long time. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. The previous set would be right there. You picture each of these as stair steps. Hey, the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves do, right? They make progress as time unfolds. So to me, $2.30, definitely that key level of support. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this move is going to continue to fight upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Key level of resistance right now that stands out to me, and I'm just going to talk about one level of resistance, and I'll explain that in a second, right there at the $3 mark. So $3, key battleground going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. Just talking about one level because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority for the chart right now. Top priority, going through a healthy consolidation and building a higher base, which all circles back to that $2.30 mark for the reasons we've discussed. So no doubt about it, nice volume today, good price action. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this price movement or not. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.